students, welcome to Biology and welcome to another class. So, we are discussing about first chapter of class 11, and in the last class we have discussed about binomial nomenclature, trinomial nomenclature, then the rules of writing binomial name, etc. And today we will discuss about taxonomic category. কি taxonomic category আছে, কিমান taxonomic category আছে, and কেনেকে লিখিব লাগে, as well as we will learn with some tricks. Okay, so let's start first taxonomic category. Now, what is taxonomic category? We got about the definition of taxonomy, isn't it? It is the arrangement of organisms or classification of organisms on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities of characters. So, in taxonomic category, it means he is a classify kori pine organism to kisman group ot thoi dibo. Those groups simply kobo gole hey group kirake koy taxonomic category. So, it means groups of organisms in which organisms, how they will be classified? In which organisms are classified on the basis of similarities of characters. Similarities of characters. So, suppose দুটা organism আছে, organism A and organism B. এতিয়া যদি organism A আৰু organism B character similar character show কৰি আছে, তেতিয়া হলে আমি কি কৰিম, A আৰু B এটা গ্ৰুপত হয়তো ৰাখি দিব পাৰো। হেইটোকে কোৱা হয় taxonomic category, and all these groups means all these taxonomic category together consist taxonomic hierarchy. So, jiman taxonomic category ase, all those taxonomic category together consist taxonomic hierarchy. All taxonomic categories together known as what? Taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy. So, taxonomic category কেইটা টাইপৰ আছে? Main যোনটো taxonomic category যোনটো obligate বুলি ক'ব, main taxonomic category আছে 7 types. 7টা. What are those? এতিয়া এই 7টা মনত ৰখাটো বহুত important, as well as অকল class 11 তে যে লাগিব no. Class 12 বা higher class to যেতিয়া যাবা, then you will need this trick. আৰু এই trick to actually মই নিজে উলিওৱানে, আমি যেতিয়া পঢ়িছিলো from that time বা তাৰ আগৰ পৰাই হয়তো এইটো trick চলি আহিছে, আৰু আমাকো টিচাৰে এইটো trick শিকাইছিলে. That is, keep your pots clean or family gets sick. তার মানে কি, যদি পটবোৰ আমি ক্লিন কে নথওঁ, then we may fall sick. হেতু কাৰণে কি সাজেষ্ট কৰিছে, যে পৰ্টছবোৰ সদায় ক্লিন কে হ'ব লাগে যাতে আমাৰ বেমাৰ নহয় এতিয়া সাম এটা এটা ওয়াৰ্ডৰে কেনেকে এটা এটা টেক্সোনমিক ক্যাটাগৰি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব কি ফৰ কিংডম वारे कुनाय जस्ट इटु মাজত মিলাবলে সেন্টেন্স টু দি দিছে P for phylum C for class O for order family same family Z for genus and S for species. So we can memorize this very easily, isn't it? Or it will a rule hoy that whenever we write taxonomic category in taxonomical hierarchy, etia ami hodai ki enike sliding likho. So kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. It means together all these consist of taxonomic yes this one taxonomic hierarchy mane ei gute kita these all represents a particular taxonomic category mane ei kita koa hoy taxonomic category kingdom phylum class order these all are taxonomic categories and together it consists of taxonomic hierarchy okay is it clear taxonomic hierarchy. Now, it is taxonomic category ki korise groups of organisms in which organisms are classified on the basis of similarities of characters. Tar mane jodi eta kingdom suppose kingdom A dhori lolu tar mane kingdom A ki hobo yar tolot jiman organisms ase ইয়াৰ তলত যিমান organisms থাকিব 1 2 3 4 means all these organisms will show some similar characteristics হেতু কাৰণে তো kingdom 8 দিছে যদি বেলেগ characteristic হলে হয় তেতিয়া হলে kingdom B দিলে হয় means common যদি kingdom হয় দুটা organism তেতিয়া হলে সেই দুটাৰ মাজত কি থাকিব কিছুমান similarities থাকিব like that common যদি phylum হয় তেতিয়া হলে কি থাকিব তাহাতৰ characteristic similarities থাকিব common class হলেও একে common order হলেও একে but a very important point to note কৰা whenever we go from upward means top to bottom যেতিয়া যাম but descending order বুলি ক'ব পৰা এটো because kingdom is the highest category kingdom is the highest taxonomic category and species is the lowest taxonomic category as well as it is the basic unit of classification jeneke amar body ki hoy basic unit cell isn't it cell is the structural and fundamental unit of life similarly species to ki hoy basic unit of classification as well as species is the lowest taxonomic category so jetia ami top to bottom jam the number of common characteristics increases common characteristic increases or common characters like that you can write increases so what does it mean by that means suppose kingdom A again to example isu thorulu kingdom A so kingdom A ki ase 1 2 3 4 ebur organisms hoy yat kisuman similarities dekhai ase means character similarities ase kintu jiman similarities same kingdom ot thakibo tatke beshi character similarities phylum ot thakibo okay so kingdom suppose animalia animalia bhitor ki hobo jiman animals ase sob poribo hati gora bag bhaluk manu etc jiman animals ase sob poribo kintu tar bisot jodi ami hetor comparison jodi class suppose class mammalia jonto class human pore ami that characteristic কি হ'ব common characteristic বেছি থাকিব mammal class টোৰ ওপৰত animalia যিমান organisms ৰ common characteristic আছে তাতকে mammal ৰ common characteristic বেছি means mammal ৰ under যিমান organisms পৰিব সেই organisms খিনিয়ে বেছি similar characteristic show কৰিব so number of common characteristic increases whenever we go from top to bottom or whenever we go in descending order then what will happen when we go from bottom to top যেতিয়া উপৰ লৈকে যাম নাইবা যেতিয়া ascending order যাম তেতিয়া কি হ'ব obviously ইয়াৰ opposite টো হ'ব number of common characteristic decreases number of common characteristic decreases okay suppose again same example so class third mammalia eta mammalia human o poribo tiger o poribo lion o poribo etia suppose tiger aru lion both belong to the same genus that is Panthera lion or to hol Panthera leo and Panthera leo it's the scientific name of lion and tiger is Panthera tigris it is the scientific name of tiger okay so Panthera leo and Panthera tigris will also come under the class mammalia because both of them have mammary glands as well as যিখিনি characteristic mammal class টোৰ আছে সেইখিনি Panthera leo আৰু Panthera tigris ৰ আছে কিন্তু যিমান organisms আছে under the class mammalia তাতকে বেছি এই tiger আৰু lion ৰ কি হ'ব characteristic বেছি similar হ'ব means the যোনটো আমাৰ first point আছিলে the number of common characteristic increases when it increases whenever we go from top to bottom okay and when we go from bottom to top number of common character decreases clear so ki hoy basic unit jontu hetur importance besi thake jeneke cell or upor ami cell division poribo lage cell cycle poribo lage similarly species or importance to basic so first species or definition to likhilo and then taken of species related particular terms we discuss korim okay so first some that what is the definition of species species mane ki yes species we can write it is a group of related organisms which can eta word important which can freely interbreed and produce fertile offspring so the most two important words are which can freely interbreed second one produce fertile offspring tar mane species eta titia hekom suppose duta organism ase a and b এই দুটা organism আমি same species of titia he pora boli kom when they can freely interbreed natural interbreeding or kotha koisu okay when they can freely interbreed in natural environment and produce fertile offspring, and their offspring should be fertile. তেতিয়াহে আমি এই দুটা অৰ্গেনিজম same species of পৰা বুলি কম. So these two words, don't forget to mention these two specific words whenever you write the definition of species. এতিয়া species related কেটামান term যেনেকে, so there are different types of species. So based on geographical distribution যদি আমি চাওঁ, then geographical distribution three different types of species are. First one is allopatric. So allopatric means when the two species have different geographical distribution, means যেতিয়া বেলেগ বেলেগ দুটা separate area থাকে. Just as example মই দেখাই দিছো, this is another geographical location আৰু এইটো এটা. So A and B বেলেগ বেলেগ area থাকে. It means both A and B we will call both the species as allopatric species. যেতিয়া বেলেগ বেলেগ geographical area পৰা belong কৰে তেতিয়া কোৱা হয় এই দুটাকে allopatric species. Second one is sympatric. So sympatric means when suppose এইটো এটা area, ইয়াত এটা species আছে A, ধৰি ললো বাঘ আছে বা ভালুক আছে, কিবা এটা আছে species, ইয়াতে যেতিয়া second species টো থাকে, suppose deer, সেইটো এটা species, হৰিণা, সেইটোও যেতিয়া থাকে, it means ইয়াত কি আছে, overlapping হৈ আছে. A and B দুটাই same geographical area share কৰি আছে, isn't it? In such cases, both the species will known as sympatric species. Third one is that parapatric. Parapatric. Okay. So parapatric means when both the species will live in adjacent geographical area. মানে উছৰা উছৰিকে যে থাকে, ইয়াত কি হৈছে overlapping to বেছি, because এটা এৰিয়া শেয়াৰ কৰি আছে. But suppose ইয়াত species B আছে, ইয়াত A আছে, এইখিনি এৰিয়া কি হৈ আছে common. This area is common, isn't it? So ইয়াত species A যাব পাৰে and species B আহিব পাৰে. It means in such cases both the species will known as parapatric. So another example, এইটো আছিলে geographical distribution or ওপৰত কি types of species, কি name হয় সেই species or. So fertile offspring or যোনটো definition কি হয় কাৰণে important বুলি কৈছো, although এইটো chapter নাই, means in this chapter সেই example টো নাই, কিন্তু later I guess in class 12 that এইটো example আছে, that male donkey and female horse naturally interbreed কৰিব পাৰে and it can produce a species known as mule. Itu male donkey and female horse. Generally কি হয়, যেতিয়া হতি freely interbreed কৰিব পাৰে হেতুহে species বুলি কয়, but এটো বেলেগ বেলেগ species donkey and horse. But exceptional case হল যে donkey আৰু male donkey and female horse naturally interbreed কৰিব পাৰে. It is possible, but their offspring mule to কিন্তু কি হ'ব, fertile নহয়, it will be sterile. তাৰ মানে mule to কি আমি যেতিয়া fertile offspring produce কৰে তেতিয়াহে species বুলি কয়, but mule to কি হৈ আছে, sterile. So every time যেতিয়া mule produce কৰিব লাগিব তেতিয়া কি হ'ব, donkey আৰু horse again reproduction কৰি পিনে mule produce কৰিব পাৰিব, because this mule is sterile, it cannot produce offsprings. Okay, so I hope you have understood the meaning of species. Species er to concept hoy etu buji paisa I guess. So this is about today's class. We have understood about the meaning of species and taxonomic hierarchy, then taxonomic category. Hope you have understood. And if you like my video, then please don't forget to share and subscribe it. Happy learning. Thank you.